Hey you, welcome back to your community, my channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa and I'm really happy we are having this session today. I call it a session because I'm going to be teaching as usual, and in today's class I'll cover how to design your ideal customer avatar. I'm sure you've heard ICA, 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 ICA all the time, but in today's class, I will break it down a little for you to understand the what, the why, the how, and some success tips for you. Are you ready? Ready, 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 let's go! Hey, welcome back to your community. My name is Temi Ajibewa, the community lead of this channel where we teach everything entrepreneurship, thought leadership, tech, marketing, sales funnel, and of course, personal branding for thought leaders like you who are impact driven and transformation focused. So if you are that thought leader who is looking for a home to build yourself, to grow, to scale, this is it. Okay, subscribe now so that you don't miss any of my videos, and of course, turn on notification. So today, first, let's talk about what is an ideal customer avatar, an ICA for short. This is an image of your ideal clients. This is like a picture of somebody, of one person that you would love to work with, that you would rather work with all your life if you had to, right? So, or if you had to choose, or if you could choose, that's the one person that you would design as the person that you want to work with, all right? This is your customer avatar. So usually you will give this avatar a name, right? You can say, oh, my ideal customer's name is Alice, right? She's a 39-year-old woman who is married with children and so on and so forth. Don't worry, I'll take you on the process later, but you need to just understand what an avatar is. And why do you need an avatar? I'll tell you, primarily because it helps you to manage your marketing so well. Like when you're talking, when you are showing up, when you are branding, when you are posting, you are showing up only to attract your ideal client. Yes, there will be some times that you will do some other post or content out of the ordinary, but majority of the time, anytime you show up for Alice to see you. And then once Alice sees you, she's like, oh my goodness, this person knows what I'm talking about. This person knows what I'm going through. This is my coach. Yes, and I get that a lot from my coaching clients who say, Temi, you understand my pains. You are my coach. I have a coaching client, a beloved coaching client, Adedamola Olubumo, who says that I'm his God-ordained coach, all because of how much I understand him and how much I've been able to help him with his coaching practice, as a leadership coach, right? So it's because I have a customer avatar. I understand, who I'm looking for. So my marketing is straight and sharp and focused, like, it's so focused to getting that person that I am looking out for. So it also helps your job to be easier because you're not trying to serve everybody. You're not trying to serve, market women, housewives, professionals, this and no. You're trying to just focus on one person. So how you write, how you speak, the jargons you use, everything is directed at one person. The content you share, all of these things is together to help your ideal client, right? It also makes your coaching really, really transformational because you have designed your framework and your program with that ideal client in mind. So for example, when I was starting out as a coach, I had the 6-month coaching program. Oh God, this makes me laugh just thinking about it. I had this 6-month coaching program. It was intensive, it was that, and then I had, one of my students, Adiola, in Abuja, Nigeria, who said, Kutemi, it seems that you think that everybody is a housewife just like you, and that all we do with our lives is coaching. Ouch! That was painful. Oh, as my kids would say, that was painful. Painful. I was like, what? I say yes, because this course is too intense. Assignment I have a school to run. She runs the school, right? She's like, I have a school to run. There is no way I can turn all of this in every week for 6 months. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I had to bear in mind that my ideal clients, they are busy people. Primarily, they have a job, they have a business that they're running on their own, and now they want to bring in coaching into it, possibly so that they can resign into coaching or out of passion. But they don't have all the time. They're not full-time coaches like me. That was one thing I had to realize. So based on that, I had to start restructuring myself. I had to start removing some, information on my course. I had to start reducing the length of my videos to to lessons, like 13 minutes, 15 minutes, things that are just bite sizes and no frivolities, no, fluff. Just go straight to the point. And then things became easier for me. That was a feedback I got from, an ideal client. And so basically, it helps, like I said, it makes your job easier. You're able to create more transformation. And guess what? You get more amazing testimonials. Yes, you get more feedback. Why? Because you've designed the solution for the client. And so when they come in to take the class, of course, they get results because you have designed it with them in mind. So now, how do you do this stuff? There are two things you want to do, okay? How do you create this, your ICA? Just think of what's the demography and psychography of your ideal client. Demography means their physical attributes, while psychography means they are what now? They are mental attributes, okay? Demography is their age, their gender, how many kids they have, are they, their marital status, their income range, and all of those, their location, all of those things. But psychography is their mental state. So what's their pain point? What does heaven look like for them when it concerns your niche? What's their pleasure? What do they really want out of life? What's their thought process like when they go to bed and they think of them becoming or getting that result that you offer? What are the thoughts they have around it? Okay, their fears around it. That is all you want to be mindful of. Then you want to now, go further and design, a day in the life of your ideal client. So your ideal client, what is a day like for her? What time does she wake up in the morning? What time does she have kids she's taking care of? Does he have to rush to work? Does he work, in the city and then stay in the suburb? All of these things is you having in mind a picture of the person you're trying to speak to. That way, your message goes all the way. So give this person a name. Give this person their best color, their best food. It's just you trying to have, an image of the person you would rather be working with. Of course, you will not be 100% accurate. You can't be now. It's in your imagination. But those basic, concepts of demography and psychography is very, very important, okay? So quick tips I'll give to you, success tips I have for you in creating your ideal customer avatar is, don't be fixed on the demography, okay? Rather focus on the psychography. Please do not be fixed on the demography of, their age, their gender. Oh, it's only women I work with. Oh, it's only men. It's only, no, okay? Think more of psychography and the pain points, because people will always pay you to get out of hell, even though they may not pay you to get into heaven. But if they're in hell, they're in a particular pain point, they will so readily get you, pay you to get out of there, okay? So that's exactly what I've come to share with you in today's class. I hope you found it valuable. If yes, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you are a thought leader who wants to build a coaching business and you need the tech support, you need the mentoring, the coaching, to do this. This is your home. This is your community, okay? So hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video and share this video with somebody. Yeah, do share. Share with somebody. Hit the share button and then click on copy link and share to support groups on WhatsApp that you think would have people that need to hear this or watch this as a matter of fact. And of course, do a screenshot and share on your Instagram story and tag me at Temi Ajibewa so that I can share to my community of over 60,000 individuals. That way, I would know that you truly appreciate this video. But if you have questions, drop them in the comments and do check the description box because there I have links to book a call with me, links to my intensive masterclass, links to sign up for any of my programs and the other resources I've mentioned in this video. All right? Thank you for watching this one. Thank you. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Bye for now. I remain Temi Ajibewa, the Electric Temi.